Is it the right time to buy or sell super microcomputer stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into super microcomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has ranked super microcomputer as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Incredibly, super microcomputer has surpassed our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 64.67% since we first recommended buying it just 15 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 4.31% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Unfortunately, given the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The stock has broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of growth. If the stock experiences a pullback, it will find support at the previous trend's peak of $402.35, which could present a second opportunity for a successful trade. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $490.74, which might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 50.79% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -0.455% to 27.57%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 126.08% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 40.44% to 127.94%. This translates to a price range of $667.92 to $1,084.05 after 12 months. Our latest update for super microcomputer brings good news as the stock had a green day on Thursday. On the last trading day, the super microcomputer stock price increased by 1.15%, going from $470.19 to $475.58. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.77%, reaching a low of $466.11 and a high of $483.66. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 38.9%, with gains in 6 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 7 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $3.13 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $496.78, while the lowest price was $70.11. Currently, the price is 4.27%, equivalent to $21.20, below the 52-week high of $496.78, which also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, January 22, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush upgraded SMCI's rating from neutral to upgrade. On Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, June 7, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave SMCI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, August 12, 2022, Susquehanna gave SMCI a positive grade with a hold action. Analysts have given super microcomputer stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book value. The analysts have given the stock a strong recommendation for return on investment. Today, we're taking a closer look at Supermicro and the signals that have been identified for its stock. Both short and long-term moving averages are giving buy signals, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, we can expect some assistance from the lines at $413.20 and $319.85 if the stock experiences a correction. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 69.46% increase so far. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning, so it's important to closely monitor the stock. Today, I'd like to share some interesting signals for you to consider. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also showed a buy signal 87 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 17 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 34 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro. Supermicro has found support from accumulated volume at $470.19. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. It's important to note that this stock can experience significant volatility throughout the day. In fact, it is considered to be a very high-risk stock, with a wide prediction interval according to the Bollinger Band. Looking at recent performance, the stock has shown a $17.55 price range between its highest and lowest points, equivalent to a 3.77% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 13.33%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Supermicro, let's begin by discussing some essential fundamental data. Firstly, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant future growth. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $4.57. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Supermicro. As we analyze the chart, we notice that there aren't any significant resistance levels based on accumulated volume. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such cases, it's advisable to enter a position and keep a close eye on the volume, as it will help determine the ideal time to exit. On the downside, we find that Supermicro has its first support level at $470.19. If this support level holds, it presents a great opportunity for entering a position and anticipating a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Supermicro is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Fairfax Daniel W. conducted an insider sell of 300 shares of common stock. On December 6, 2023, Lao Yashayan Wali made an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On December 6, 2023, Lao Yashayan Wali made another insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On December 6, 2023, Lao Yashayan Wali made yet another insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On December 6, 2023, Lao Yashayan Wali acquired 15,000 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be positive with a ratio of 29.517. In total, insiders have bought 534,043 shares and sold 262,910 shares in the last 100 trades. Today, we will be discussing our recommended stop loss for this particular stock. It's important to note that this stock experiences very high daily movements, resulting in a significant level of risk. The RSI 14, which measures the stock's relative strength index over the past 14 days, is currently at 87. This high value further increases the risk associated with this investment. However, it's worth mentioning that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 15 days ago, which could indicate a potential opportunity. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? While Super Microcomputer holds several positive signals, we believe it may be best to consider it as a hold candidate at the moment. We recommend holding or accumulating shares in this position and monitoring further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we anticipate that Super Microcomputer will open down by $0.463 and begin trading at $475.12. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful time ahead. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.